Today we're going to be working on replacing the gas cap cover for a 2017 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra. When you remove the gas cap, take a rag and stuff down inside of the neck because it's too hard to get the screws out when the gas cap is in place. I'm using a 1/4 inch drive. This is a 1/4 inch socket and then just a short extension. When you're removing the final screws, be sure not to drop them down inside the gas tank, which is why it's important to have a towel or a rag stuffed in there. The new cover does not have threaded holes in the openings. Went back to the dealer, asked them about it. They said nope, all of the new caps don't come threaded. So you have to very carefully tap new threads, apply firm pressure, and make sure that you keep it straight up and down so that you don't end up with some cross threads. After you have tapped both of the openings, it will make it easier once you put it back on because you will have some clean threads in order to put the screws back in. Replacing the push lock mechanism is pretty straightforward. I just used a wrench to loosen up the nut, and you have to swivel this 90 degrees to get it out through the opening. And then when you put it back on, make sure not to over tighten it. After you have tapped the holes and have made some new threads, keep track of which screw is for which hole to make sure that there is no cross threading that might occur. Once you're done, finish tightening, put on the gas cap. Close the lid, and then be sure and polish off all of the fingerprints for a nice shiny look. Enjoy your ride. One more update. When I first put it on, the cap would not close all the way. The depth of this latch was not deep enough. So what I had to do was take it off, and you can't see it, but in the back of the screw, added a very thin washer on both sides to give it enough of a distance so that it will pop and it'll stay closed. It doesn't hardly even affect the back gap at all, but now it will work like it's supposed to. Push the button and it pops open and it will stay closed.